Alright, I'm going to explain to you guys three different types of information systems or technologies used in my 2006 Honda Accord. The first major one is the odometer. It's an electric odometer featuring a digital display. Um, this saves and indicates data about the distance traveled by my vehicle. Right now I'm at 73,000 roughly. It also has the capability to record specific trip mileage individually. Up to 2 different trips, so this is trip A and trip B. And the last feature the odometer has is it has an oil indicator or oil life indicator, and then this indicates the percentage of oil life remaining and stores that and saves that data into the system. The second more obvious information system my car uses is the car radio itself. This stores data related to different stations I listen to. It has a capability to store up to 18 different stations, 6 on FM1, 6 on FM2, and 6 on AM. And then the last, probably most obvious information system my car features are the CDs themselves. This stores and reads my MP3 files. And yeah, those are the three major information systems used in my car.